The Voltech Instruments PM3000a is a three-phase power monitor system used for calculating all the various elements of power for a device, from power factor to wattage. This benchtop unit is typically used for validating new equipment and is connected between incoming power and the dive, or can also be used between a power generator device and its load. We have worked on a number of these systems, and many are used by large electronic manufacturers that want to calculate the power specifications of their product. This particular unit came into us with a massive voltage offset where it was measuring a voltage, and it was off by a factor of 50%. We rebuilt the particular input channel and refurbished anything else that needed attention. After the repair, we fully verified the proper operation of the equipment. ERD owns a wide variety of power monitoring equipment used for our energy management work, which gives us insight into the proper operation and use of all the various types of power equipment we get in for repair. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.